bathroom, we're going to be using Pergo DuraCraft. It's a vinyl plank type deal. Well, it's not. The nice thing about this Pergo vinyl tile is it already has a pad on the back of it. You don't have to lay anything down. Super simple. All right, so I just cut a 1/4 inch off of the bottom of this door. It was kind of rubbing on the floor, but it swings nicely now. And that was the maximum allowable for this specific door. Had one last row, about 1 3/4 inches there. All right, guys, so we're getting right after it this morning. We got our area cleaned up. I tried to move as much as I could over here. We have some supplies and whatnot. We'll just move it after we do this half, because this call is to start on the left corner and work your way over to the right, which is perfect for us. And let me show you. We're using the Matrix luxury vinyl plank, obviously waterproof, all that whole deal. Does not come with a pad on the bottom of it. So we're just gonna be using a standard, I think 3mm pad. Gonna be rolling this out. We're using the sticky side on the outside, so we can just put the next one over, and there's a little plastic flap on the other side. It's gonna be easier than going backwards. So it's kind of awkward going this way, but it should be all set. So this is obviously right on the floor here. What we need to do is cut that out or undercut it. We're gonna be using, so with our pad and then our material, this is just a piece of scrap. You could use a handsaw, but the real trick is the oscillating tool. Just make sure it's flush with that, you know, flat on here. And we're just gonna hit it. And we're gonna be terminating this floor under the door. I think that looks the cleanest. So we're gonna have to open the door up and go from the inside also, but we'll get this done. Got that first one notched in, tucked under there. Terminating right here under the doorway. We'll just put a transition covering that up right there. Right here I am installing the first row, which is your base row, and this is going to set the tone for your whole floor. It's imperative that you make sure these are super straight and flush. I go here and I use my thumb, my nail to run along it and make sure it's just completely flush in the edge, because if it's not, you're going to have a wonky floor. Hey, if you guys like this content, make sure you drop down below, hit that like and subscribe button. We create content every week, and we'd love to grow with you. All right, so got the first row down super fast. It clicks together nice and easy. The real test is to see how the second row goes in, because you do short end in, and then you get your long end and click in. But some of those on these type of flooring systems are not that great. So let's see this. Take your time. Make sure it's nice and straight in the beginning, or else you're gonna be all messed up. You're gonna have nice gaps that you're gonna love. Wow. I'm liking how this is clicking together. Seems pretty sweet. Let's keep going.
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me.
Whew, that was a tough one. Got a cut in there. Nice. Barely any exposure. Basically a little crack. Let's keep it going. Got this transition in here, secured nicely. It sits pretty close to flush. I mean, this is a little bit higher, this Pergo stuff, but it's pretty nice. So I didn't have a reducer. I'm not sure if they're gonna want to do a floor down the road, I'm sure, but cutting it off under the door is where we're gonna put the threshold. So I do need a reducer since it's not going to another floor, or else it would be like a lip hanging out. You know how it is.